Hello everybody, and welcome to my presentation for CSC 438. Uh, this is a class on artificial intelligence and using Unity. The assignment is creating agents for artificial intelligence, and in this assignment I had to make a Unity terrain, a background, like a 3D world, put a character in the world, and have a great experience with it. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have a terrain here. Um, this is actually a custom built terrain by somebody else, but I liked it so much I just had to use it. It's pretty neat and different. Um, the world is populated with different objects. You have cliffs, you have a water object, you have plants, and you have a skybox. So it looks like a fantasy world, maybe a volcanic, kind of low poly cartoonish. I really liked it, and I thought that it would bring out some fun in the assignment, so I decided to go with that. I did a lot of tweaking on it, designing it myself, and putting in the time and effort to make it my own. Uh, And the next thing we did is we put in the UMA dynamic character avatar, who's right here. I am using the third person view for it on the starter packages. I have a third person controller hooked up to it. And we do that by initializing a main camera from this starter assets uh, folder. And we use the UMA glib. I'm not really exactly sure what it's for, but I think it's some kind of global library or something. I don't know. Professor, if you could let me know what that is. I'll ask you next time when I see you. But anyway, then we put a player follow camera on it. So this script here is going to basically follow behind the player. And this is the player armature. So this is the actual character we're going to be using here. I do have another dynamic character here who's over here, and we'll see if you can find him or not. So he's over there, and you're over there, and we'll see if you can find him. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. So I guess the goal here is to find the other avatar. Okay, so everything is hooked up. So we basically, how we do this is we we have a player camera root on the armature, and basically we hook that up to the follow. Basically, this is the follow function here that we can plug in the camera root to, and it'll allow the actor to be followed. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at this and see what we can do with this. Okay, so here we are, our little robot mannequin type of thing. I'm a robotics student, so I thought that was kind of cool. And we're in our own little world here. Look, there's strange flowers. There's a river. There's cliffs all over the place. And so we can find our other avatar. There he is. There's our avatar. I didn't dress him up or anything like that. I just thought, wanted him to kind of be a little helpless, like you got to find a lost survivor or something like that. And we found him. All right. So this is pretty neat. You can jump, you can move around, basic player functions and stuff like that. Now, if I was a video game design student, I would be up in the air about this. I'd be like, wow, what a major accomplishment. But I'm a robotics student, so I think my robots are going to be playing video games here pretty soon. But anyway, yeah, this is a cool assignment. I really like it. I can't wait to get into the actual artificial intelligence programming in it and seeing where that can lead to with robotics and embedded systems. So anyway, Professor Hinton, this is my assignment, and I had a lot of fun with it. Some trial and error, but it worked out pretty good. And I'm going to let everybody go now. Thank you very much, and have a great day.